Dots Pretzels just released a Parmesan garlic flavor. This flavor has been hard to find, but I finally found it and it's available right here on the TikTok shop, and we're about to try it. Ooh, nice straight tear. Smells really garlicky. There's the glaze. Bon appetit. I like the honey mustard ones more, but there's a good balance of Parmesan garlic. These are in the TikTok shop right now. They're on a 50% off sale. If you want to get these and you've been looking for them, I put an orange shopping cart link down below.